Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add end screens to YouTube videos. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to add end screens to YouTube videos, all you gotta do is simply go to YouTube Studio. You need to go to YouTube Studio and then you need to simply select the content. Once you have selected the content as well, you need to select your video, then the editor, and then you need to click on the end screen as well. So you need to simply go and tap on it. So as an end screen, you need to add elements like videos, playlist, or subscribe buttons using templates or manuals, and customizing their placement and timing is also in your hand. In the last 20 seconds before saving, you need to do so. However, you can simply have your videos have a very catchy end screens, but the time limit is the last 20 seconds. You can also add them during the initial video upload process for a smoother workflow though. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.